Imagine if you could unlock the full potential of your body's hormonal balance, enhancing your mood, strength, and overall well-being. If you're a man seeking to optimize your health through natural and strategic methods, then this conversation with Dr. Kyle Gillett on the Huberman Lab podcast is tailor-made for you. Here are some actionable takeaways. Engage in regular, balanced exercise. Incorporate a mix of resistance training and cardiovascular exercises about 3 to 4 times a week. This balance supports hormone optimization without overtraining, which can negatively impact hormonal balance. Monitor and optimize sleep. Prioritize quality sleep, as it plays a crucial role in hormone regulation. Aim for 7 to 9 hours per night to support testosterone levels and overall hormone health. Consider nutritional supplementation. Supplements like vitamin D, omega-3 fatty acids, and possibly creatine can support hormone balance. However, they should complement, not replace, a balanced diet. Manage stress effectively. Chronic stress can lead to imbalances in cortisol and other hormones. Incorporate stress reduction techniques such as meditation, yoga, or simply spending time outdoors to maintain hormonal equilibrium. Regular health checkups, periodic blood tests can help monitor hormone levels and ensure that any imbalances are identified and addressed promptly with a healthcare provider's guidance. By adopting these practices, you can support your body's natural hormone production, enhancing your physical, mental, and emotional health. Delving into the depths of hormone optimization for males, the podcast episode featuring Dr. Kyle Gillett provides a thorough examination of various factors impacting health and wellness. Beginning with the transformative stages of puberty and their lasting effects on hormonal well-being, Dr. Gillett emphasizes the importance of this developmental phase in shaping adult health trajectories. The discussion expands to encompass the interplay between resistance training, growth, and hormonal equilibrium, dispelling common misconceptions while highlighting the pivotal role of consistent, balanced physical activity. Central to the conversation are the fundamental influences of diet, exercise, and lifestyle habits on hormone levels. Dr. Gillett offers valuable insights into how these components intersect to either foster or impede hormonal health, underscoring the significance of mindful choices in optimizing well-being. Moreover, the episode provides guidance on interpreting blood work results for hormone levels, empowering listeners to proactively monitor and address any imbalances. Sleep hygiene and stress management emerge as critical themes, with Dr. Gillett illustrating their direct impact on hormone regulation. The discussion extends to the importance of social connections and purpose-driven living, emphasizing the holistic nature of hormonal health. Addressing sensitive topics such as the effects of pornography and masturbation on hormone levels, the conversation maintains a balanced perspective, considering both physiological and psychological dimensions. Dr. Gillett advocates for a comprehensive approach to physical activity, steering clear of extremes, while promoting a well-rounded exercise regimen conducive to hormonal balance. The podcast delves into testosterone replacement therapy, or TRT, exploring its potential benefits and considerations for individuals contemplating this treatment option. Additionally, supplements like creatine are examined in detail, with Dr. Gillett shedding light on their roles and the evidence supporting their inclusion in hormone health regimens. Dietary influences on hormonal function are also discussed, highlighting the importance of nutrient-rich foods in supporting optimal health. Dr. Gillett concludes with a compelling call for consistency in health practices, emphasizing the value of sustained efforts in diet, exercise, and lifestyle modifications to achieve and maintain hormonal balance.